Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2026. I'm here at Port 32 Marina, and this is a waterline video of Ursa Minor. We're normally doing these waterline videos because as it gets hotter, the waterline is the first that gets dirty. So we want to go ahead and document what it looks like as we've cleaned it, and within about a week to 2 weeks, you guys will definitely be able to see a difference. Now this is the sunniest side of your boat, so I'm making sure to get that first. This is where you're definitely going to see the the dirtiest get the boat get dirtier quicker, and then the other side you might not see it as quickly. Alrighty, the next video will be of the after cleaning.